Oh, dude, you are tremendous, dude. You are enjoying the water crossing. Okay, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? I'm just going. Come on. Whoa! Hello people, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Already packed, but we got to go get the motorcycle first, so let's go. Hitish also in helmet, I'm also in helmet inside the room. We're doing helmet walk, frightening people. Time is 9:27.
ಅಯ್ಯರ ಮಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ರೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ನಾನು?
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡ್ರಿಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಂದೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ತರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಯಲಿರ್ತೀನಿ. This is the very first time I'm sitting pillion with riding gear and vlogging as well. So for everything there is a first, and here this was one. Look at that. Woohoo! Thanks to B&T Motors Manali, they had the job done late last evening or early in the morning, I don't know, but exactly at 9:35 I already got a call while I was on my way here, and my motorcycle is ready. This brake cam has been replaced, brake shoe has been replaced, and the front disc pad has been replaced. All this including the swing arm bush. So that's it. Let's go.
ಅವನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಾ?
ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Yes, it feels much better now without that wobbling in the rear. Now we can ride with confidence. We need to buy a spare tube. Look what we found in Manali. Chutney. South Indian chutney. There's a live kitchen there. There is a Surpi restaurant on the main road. And here comes our idli and vada.
ಬಾಟಲ್.
Mom, how happy are you to see idli?
ಓ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಫೈನಲಿ dude. Finally we are eating idli vada.
Finally, after 16 days. 16 days or 17 days later, we are having South Indian breakfast. Actually, we did have once, we had dosa once in Srinagar, but it wasn't typical. Let's see how it is here. It's okay, it's not typical chutney and sambar. It's the way how people in the north do, you know, wherever you go in North India and you buy sambar, it's like this. And chutney will always be from the fridge. Cold chutney. Mom, what do you think?
It's okay. Something is better than nothing.
Something is better than nothing. So anyone wants Udupi Khana in Manali, you can visit Hotel Nataraj. It's just a few kilometers away from Mall Road. So Yatish has gone to Biker Point Manali. He's a very popular guy here in Manali. And here he is right in front of us. So we just gone to inquire about the permits since we're not able to apply it online.
ಬೈಕರ್ಸ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ ರೋಹತಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ.
So Rohtang Pass is not allowed for bikers now. We wanted to ride Rohtang Pass because it has its own history and adventures. Atal Tunnel is going to be there, but Rotang Pass is always Rotang Pass.
किधर में जाना?
मंदिर कहाँ है? ऊपर है?
हाँ मंदिर ऊपर।
मंदिर ऊपर है।
इधर लगा।
उधर लगाना है. Hey, here. Look at the yak. Beautiful one. Wow, look at its horns. Both the riders ready, and we're off to Chandratal. I think this is the day when we're starting to ride late. First day of this road trip. I don't remember starting so late. It's 11:30 now. Hey! Dude! You're cycling from?
All over India, 50,000 kilometers.
50,000 kilometers you want to do. Wow. All the best, man. All over India cycling trip.
इसके आगे कहीं रुकना नहीं है।
हाँ
ओवरटेक नहीं करना, आराम से आना, ठीक है?
हाँ
पेट्रोल
हम
पंप
कल
नहीं
शाम गए
करेंगे।
थे. नहीं कल ही है.
ठीक है, कैमरा बंद है ना?
कैमरा ऑन है. कैमरा बंद करना है. Actually we are not allowed to record inside. I don't know why. Recording at the check post, yeah, I would accept, but recording inside the tunnel, I don't know what's wrong in that. I already did it yesterday when coming from the other end. Today while going from here, he just noted the vehicle's number. Okay, now it's a straight stretch. That's what you're not supposed to do, overspeed. That's what they brief you while entering in. But yeah, it's very tempting when the road is empty like this. Who wouldn't? We're just maintaining under 60 and riding. And we're out. Not allowed to park car? So that's Atal Tunnel for you. See the weather here? Clear. Clear blue sky, no fogging, nothing. That's the difference that you find when you cross over to this side of the hill. So Kaza is 144, Sumdo is 218. Whom do we ask for fuel? We need to ask someone, no? On police on the kilo. Selfie banned area. Yeah, obviously, if you slip into that, no one can find you. Just look at that force. We had to come all the way to Tandi fuel station to fuel. So, if you guys want to fuel, please fuel in Manali, man. Once you cross Atal Tunnel, no, you don't have a fuel station. You need to come all the way to Tandi to fuel. This 25 kilometers, 50 kilometers was a waste of time and fuel. Only if we would have known, we would have fueled up in Manali itself.
सर जी,
बोलिए.
कहाँ तक जाएगा आप?
चंद्रताल. चंद्रताल
मेरे को ले जाएगा थोड़ा ऊपर.
कैसे लेके जाएंगे?
सकते यार.
इसमें नहीं होता भाई.
मालूम पीना था, मैं पिला दूंगा.
इसमें नहीं होता. बाइक में नहीं होता. लगेज है ना, कैसे बैठेंगे? अरे wind is pushing me off. Oh, there are a lot of food trucks here as well. Wheels of Meals, food van. The weather looks a little gloomy up front. I just don't want it to rain. So we just gave our details at the checkpost. He asked for the permit. We said in Manali when we inquired, they said there's no permit required. He said okay. What logic is this? This is the junction. Yeah, see, Rohtang Pass is from here, and Atal Tunnel is the way we came. So this is how we go to Chandrathal, Kaza, Spiti, Sumdo, Batal. This is that off-road patch. So currently Rohtang Pass, two-wheelers are banned. Forty or 50 kilometers the roads will be like this. Just imagine. Oh. So now the Senna is not working. I can only listen to Yatish, but when I talk to him, when I talk, there's something wrong with the connector. Something has to keep going wrong electronically also, no? Kaza 120. What dost? पूछो आगे चाय पियेंगे. I have no idea where we are, but we've reached some place where there are people and something to eat as well as to stay. So on the way to Chandrathal, we have reached Chatru, which is at a height of 11,100 feet and population of 120 people. Where are these 120 people? Don't ask me. But yeah, this is the first place where we found shops and something to eat as well as camping area. After we took that deviation from that Rohtang Pass Atal Tunnel road, the same place where tarmac ends and gravel starts. It took us 1 hour to reach here. That is from Atal Tunnel. After crossing Atal Tunnel, we had lunch. From there we started and stopped here for tea. Now it's been an hour. Batal is another 32 kilometers. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನ? ಹಾಂ, ಇನ್ನು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬ how many kilometers we came hardly about 20 kilometers then. 1 hour ಆಯಿತು ಬಂದು. From the past 1 hour we went right. ಇನ್ನು 32 kilometers, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 hour ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 hour ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 1.5 hour ಪ್ಲಸ್ another 1.5 hour. ಇನ್ನು 3 hours ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓ ಮೈ ಗುಡ್ನೆಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ another 3 hours of ರೈಡಿಂಗ್. ಬಾ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ತಲೆಗೇನೆ ಕಟ್ಸ್ಕೊತೀಯ. ನಾ ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೇನೆಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಏಯ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ಸೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೋ ಕೆಳಗೋದೆ. ಓ ಡೂಡ್, ಕಮಾನ್ ಹಾಂ ಬಾ, ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾ, ಈಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು, ಸೀದಾ ಬಾ, ಆಗಲೇ ಬಾ, ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ಸು ಮೇಲೆ, ಹತ್ಸು ಮೇಲೆ. ಕಮಾನ್. Oh dude, you are tremendous dude. You are enjoying the water crossing. Shoes oh pant git ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಂತು. I came out dry, hardly anything hit me. The board said 77. When this 77 is going to come, God knows. Oh my goodness. No wonder no one travels in this road. You need to be fully prepared if you want to travel in this road. Yeah, there is no road, there is only route. It is just a route you need to travel. Complete off-roading, complete adventure. More and more water crossing. People think only when you go to Ladakh you get water crossing. They're wrong. You come to Himachal Pradesh, you have more than Ladakh's water crossing. Okay, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? I'm just going. Come on. Whoa! Nope. I'm dry feet. Just some splashes, but nothing going inside today. ಈ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಾವು. ನಾನು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ. ಬಂದಾ? Hey, this is that place which is left always vacant for people to stay. Someone made one video of this. No, I've read this. Yeah, you can just go there and stay and go out kind of stuff. It is just built. No one takes care of this. This is a Himachal Pradesh PWB rest house at Chota Dara. So this is basically a guest house. Yeah, someone has shown this in the video. No, it's all open. See, the doors are all open. It is basically the government rest house. Hey, Batal is 14, Losar is 45, Kaza is 102, Tabo is 150 and Sumdo is 171. We're almost reaching Batal. I think another 30 minutes to do that 14 kilometers. We should reach that before sunset. That's all we want to do. Ayyo, how many more water crossings? How many more times can I save myself? How can I save myself so many times? Hey, Mom, you need to go faster. I am waiting for you to leave. Okay, tell me if there is a way to come from the... Careful. Okay, this is gonna be crazy. Come on. Get out of it. Yes. No stepping down. Yeah. A little splash on the feet, but that's okay. That's common. But that was a little harsh as well. Yes, it is drizzling here as we are riding towards Batal. Not a heavy drizzle and all, but still there is a drizzle. Just hope it waits until we reach. Whoa. These water crossings, waterfalls, no limits. Go. I haven't gone to third gear, dude, and I don't know since how long. I'm just stuck with first and second. I get a flat stretch, I go to third and come back.
अभी क्या है, ऐसा मौसम हो गया है.
Huh? What, dude? Drastic with this. We reached Batal and found this campsite, so we're staying here. Just look at the weather outside. It's very unpredictable here, so don't take any chances. So we just made it to this campsite and decided to stay here. That's it. No going forward. We got this for $750 per person, dinner and breakfast included. Chalo, chalta hai. Okay, so we found shelter in Batal. I showed you earlier. That's our tent. There's no light, so it is a little dark inside, but it's nice. There are 4 beds and the washroom from the other side. Now the riding gear is a little wet, that's it. Apart from that, the shoe and socks as always. Nothing else except for this beautiful location. Actually, it's raining. If it wouldn't have rained, it would have been much better. See, I'm getting wet already. So if you want to visit Chandratal from Manali, make sure you start early in the morning. We started in the afternoon after lunch, so that's where things went wrong, but we had no other option. Bike was at the service center and we had to fuel. We made a mistake. We wasted about an hour and a half there. So all this happens. Hitesh is already staying inside. He doesn't even want to come out.
I can come out.
So like that, I think we'll say goodbye for today.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching this vlog. Take care and stay safe.